been long. I had to take a break. A whole lot was going on. I had cold and a whole lot, so I had to just take a break, get better, and come back to you guys. So how are you doing? I know you missed me. I also missed you guys. So nothing has happened behind the scene. I've just been trying to recover from having cold. So we continue with our vlogs. I'm gonna be bringing it back, bringing more of as I usually do. So welcome to the new subscribers. I noticed some persons added to my channel, so welcome guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining the family. My name is Oni Ogadima. I'm a lifestyle content creator and I make hair videos from time to time, so stay tuned. Go and subscribe. Everything on this channel is relatable. I bring it to you raw, no mixing of words, so stay tuned. Go and see you next week. I didn't wash my face. I did not wash my face. I just pour water on it so that I can apply my sunscreen. And I and my husband were going out to breakfast because I noticed that nowadays eating out is even cheaper than cooking at home. So some days that I don't feel like cooking, we'll just go out to get something to eat, and that's what we are doing today, this morning. But after this morning, anything we see, we'll eat. Might be noodles until I have the strength and the power to prepare something. So until then, let's go out together. So I'm applying sunscreen. These clothes stay like this because even if I don't wash my face, I make sure I apply sunscreen because your face needs to be protected from the UV rays coming from the sun. And that's been helping my skin so much. And if you want to apply any skincare, make sure to brush your teeth before you do your skincare, because it's not nice that after doing skincare you come and start brushing your teeth. It can cause you to break out. Guys, the sun, God, heaven and earth, the sun is too much, and this kind of sun actually turns into rain at the end of the whole day. So we're currently on our way to get brunch because it's literally after 12. I like this. So guys, I started drawing again. I've just been using it to pass time, and anytime I do those my digital arts, it just eases me, like it just makes me relax. So I'm doing it for now just to relax, and it just calms my overthinking most of the time. So I've started doing it, and it's actually fun. I'm going to be leaving some of the pictures I've done recently. See how that goes. This vlog is taking me 2 weeks to film because I've just been having different things to deal with in between that it has been making me not to be able to vlog straight and make sure I edit it. But what I do is any clip I make, I just add it to the video I'm editing and just edit it right away. I don't have to wait till I finish everything for this time that I'm trying to get myself a record. That is how it has been. So I hope you're enjoying the vlog. I don't know how this one is. Bear with me. A lot is happening behind the scene, and when I'm comfortable enough, I will come to talk about it. But for now, I don't want to share. So just bear with me and enjoy the vlog.